Hello friends, today we are going to learn about ForkJoin, how to use the ForkJoins and how to handle the multiple HTTP requests in Angular with the fork. So there are the scenarios or use cases where you need to make multiple HTTP requests, either it is same domain or different domain, and you need to wait until you get the response from all the HTTP requests for rendering this view. So for that solutions, Angular have the ForkJoin. So ForkJoin is just where when you need to wait for multiple HTTP requests to be resolved. ForkJoin wait for each HTTP request to complete and groups all the observable written by each HTTP call into a single observable array, and finally return the observable array. So these are the things. So how it is work, we can check in this as a example. Dive into the code. I have created one services, it's called the data services, and where I have this HTTP clients, and you can see this one request data from multiple, and that function is written this observer of array, and inside the functions I have three requests, which is the product. Three requests, we have the get API, calling the get API, and if you see this line number 21, we have the ForkJoin, where the ForkJoin is joins all the response 1, response 2 and response 3. The ForkJoin is doing all the response, all this API response. Once we get all the API request response, then it returns as an observer of array. For that, we Rxjs, observable and ForkJoin, and how we can handle this response and the controller level. Let's see that the component level, and you can see that if you call this API or call the services, and then you have to subscribe that, and you get this array of observable. So you can see the first API result in this 0 index, second and third is in 2 index. That way you can see that the request in the UI how it look like. So let's go to the UI, and you see if I refresh, it's wait and it's populate, like it's render all the result at a single same. Alright, for 9 and the same. So here in the example we have only 3 APIs, but if you want you can make it multiple APIs with the same, and you can get the response, and the ForkJoin is wait till you get this all the request response. So hope you get like this video and you get understanding of the how. Thank you.